Good morning, students. Today we'll start with area of a right angle triangle. If you see this area of a right angle triangle. So what is the area of a right angle triangle? It is half into base into height. This is called base and this height. So it is half into base into height. This is the formula you need to keep in mind while doing area of a right angle triangle. So now we'll start with practice set 46. The first sum, the length and the breadth of a page of a calendar is 45 centimeter and 26 centimeter respectively. What is its area? What they have asked, the length, you can see this, the length and the breadth of a calendar is 45 centimeter and 26. Length is 45 and breadth is 26. What is its area? So we'll consider the page of a calendar is rectangular shape. The area of the page is length into breadth. So 45 into 26, that comes up to 1170. So the area of the page is 1170 centimeters. Now the second sum, what is the area of the triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6? So area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. So it is 1 upon 2 and base is what? 4.8 and height is 3.6. It goes here 2.4. So 2.4 into 36, that comes up to 8.64. So the area of the triangle is 8.64 centimeters square. The length and the breadth of a rectangular plot of land is 75.5 meters and 30.5 meters respectively. What is the cost of the plot at the rate of 1000 per square meter? For example, we got in a plot, it is in a rectangle in shape. Length is 75.5 and breadth, and take it as 30.5. So what is the area of a rectangular? Length into breadth. So it is 75.5 into 30.5. That comes up to 2302.75 meters square. Now we got to know the total area. Now they are given one more condition. What is that? The cost of the plot at the rate is 1000 per square meter. For 1 square meter it is 1000 rupees. So for 2302, how much it is? So it is 1000 into 2302.75. So if we multiply that, it comes up to 23,02,750 rupees. So the cost of the whole plot is 23,02,750. Now we'll go for the next sum. That is, a rectangular hall is 12 meters long and 6 meters broad. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall? How many would be required if tile of side 15 centimeters were used? Here there is a room or a floor which is given. It is in a rectangular shape, length and breadth. That is, length we can take as 12 and 6 breadth. So it's a rectangular floor. So we are going to multiply its length into breadth, that is 12 into 6, that comes up to 72 meters square. Now what they are told, how many tiles will it require if the tile is square of 30. So we are sure it is a square tile, 30 meters, 30. So 30 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So we are going to first convert. So how it is? 30 into 30 upon 100 into 30 upon 100. If we work out, so it is 3 into 3, 9 upon 100 meters square. Now how to find how many tiles are required? We need to divide it by area of the floor by area of one tile. So what is the area of the floor? That is 72 divided by 9 upon 100. Here, while doing this, it has been reciprocal, 72 into 100 upon 9. It comes up to 9 ones are and 72 eights are. So 800 tiles we require if the tile is 30 centimeters side. Now the question has been changed. Now the tile side is 15 centimeter. It has been reduced. The first one was 30, now it is 15 centimeter square. So again we'll do the same procedure. 15 upon 100 into 15 upon 100. That comes up to, it goes in 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 20, same way 3 and 20. So it is 3 into 3 9, 20 into 20 400. Again same procedure, area of the floor upon area of one tile. Area of the floor we got 72 and divided by 9 upon 4, the latest one. So reciprocate 72 into 400 upon 9. So 8 into 400, that is 3200. So we need 3200 and 200 tiles when it is 15 centimeters side and 800 when it is 30 centimeters side. From the information given in the figure, find the perimeter and the area of the garden. There's a garden shown over here and the sides has been given over here. We need to find the perimeter and area of the garden. The figure has 12 equal sides. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and each has 13 meter equal size. So if for perimeter what we'll do? 13 into number of sides. So 13 into 12, that comes up to 156 meters. So here perimeter is 13 into 12, 13 the measurement of the side which is equal, and how many sides are there? 12. So 13 into 12, that comes up to 156 meters. Now they have asked to find the area of the garden. If you can see the second figure I've shown in the same one, if you join the dotted lines over here, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 box. 5 squares are there. So equal 5 squares. So how the area? 5 into side square. What is that side? We got 13, which is equal. So 5 times 5 into 13 square. So it is 5 into 13 into 13, that is 169. 5 into 169, that is 845 meters square.